Wishart Park is a hidden gem in Sault Ste. Marie, a place where nature stands undisturbed and time seems to slow down. As fall deepens, the trees shed their leaves in quiet cascades, creating a golden carpet along the winding trails. Each step along the path stirs the earthy scent of autumn, with fallen leaves crunching underfoot and branches arching overhead in delicate, bare silhouettes. Walking along this trail, it feels as though nature has laid out a path just for this season. A final burst of warmth and color before winter settles in. Here along the Root River, water levels are low and the river seems stopped in time. No rapids or fast-moving water except the wind-flowing ripples here or there. A large clay bank, with its distinct earthy tones, remains ever visible, a quiet sentinel, unchanged by the river's ebb and flow. This area has witnessed many seasons, each leaving its subtle mark. Even in late fall, as the landscape fades into shades of brown and gray, there's beauty in the quiet simplicity. The clay bank stands resilient, a reminder of the strength of nature's elements. Walking through Wishart, you're surrounded by sounds softened by fallen leaves and the murmur of the river. The river's winding path and the expanse of these woods invite us to appreciate the calmness and stillness that only places like these can offer. Wishart Park and the Root River invite us to pause, to witness the beauty of late autumn, and to reflect on the enduring landscape that waits patiently for the coming winter.